Hey everybody, this is John Barton from JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for the week of Friday, September 2nd. And I was about to tell you guys the time like it matters. God, so stupid. Alright, anyway, let's jump into this. I've got some cases to show you. Now most of these, I think all of them, well, most of them are relatively normal cases without a lot of decoration. But what I want to emphasize is that instead of waiting, you know, and hoping that maybe a case shows up that you like or is about the right color scheme, all these folks took the time to go in and create the case they wanted, even a relatively simple one, but just the way they wanted it with the colors. Didn't need to have a lot of decoration, and they just, you know, waited the time that it takes to get it, but they are getting exactly the case that they designed. And from the moment that they get it, they're going to have a great case with great protection, super durability, and a lifetime warranty. So, you know, what could be better than that? The only thing that could be better than that would be to be able to get it faster, which we can't do right now. But if you can handle the wait, you know, which currently is about 10 to 12 weeks, depending on the case, then the end result is that you're going to get a really, really, really great case backed by us, built to the highest standards that we can possibly build it. Whenever we learn, you know, a better technique, or we've in the past when we've found a problem, we fixed it immediately so that the very next cases coming off the bench are very unlikely to have that problem, and that's exactly the way it's worked out. So the cases only get tougher and tougher as time goes by. But like I said, if we happen to have a bad sewing day or something like that, I'll show you an example of what a bad sewing day looks like. So hold on. So this is the case that we sent out a few weeks ago, the part of a case. This is the shoulder pad. This is oil tan leather, very nice, beautiful. Veg tan here, suede right here, so it's non-slip. The customer sent this back to us because, as I said, we had a bad sewing day. So see here, it didn't get sewn. Like there's stitching here, but it didn't get sewn all the way through to the edge. Right there, you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can really see that. But that's an example of a mistake. You know, it just, sometimes it happens like that, and we'll take care of it. You know, I'm gonna take this apart, fix it the way it's supposed to be, and get it back to the customer relatively quickly. So that's what we do. You know, that's what lifetime warranties are all about, or warranty. You know, good warranties in general. And so there you go. So anyway, let me jump right in here. You know, I could talk about this shit forever. All right, this is this one here. I'm going to show you the interesting things on here. This is a 3x6, blue, navy blue, and white with backpack straps. But now check this out. Instead of the normal gunmetal black chrome, you know, that we put on here, this customer asked for brass. So take a look, and you guys can see how that looks with brass fittings instead of the normal black chrome fittings, you know, and that's a customer request. Makes no difference to us, you know, about that, whether it's we just don't put it on the website yet. On the new website, the new one that we're developing, things like that will be on there so that you'll be able to tell us when you order. Otherwise, right now you can just request it. You know, always remember, just ask. You know, if there's something that you want, just ask, and we can tell you whether we can do it or not. If most of the time, if we are able to do it and it's not any extra cost on our part, then we'll do it for you. If there is an extra cost and we're able to do it, then we'll tell you what that cost will be. But a lot of features that we've developed over the years have had their genesis and come from customers asking us to do it, and then afterward we're like, oh yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Why don't we just do that on all the cases? Okay? All right. So anyway, oh, I didn't show you the interior, sorry. So this one has a blue interior. I call that blue. Some people call that like electric blue or something like that. It's just blue to me. Okay. The next one here is a 4x8. This is black and teal with a magnetic pocket on top. And then we've got teal stitching, backpack straps, teal piping, and teal zipper pulls, leather zipper pulls. Four butts, 8 shafts. And this is a chalk holder and joint protector holder with Velcro, so usually the customer can put it inside the pocket there if they want, or inside the pocket, wherever it's comfortable for them, they can put it in there. So we send the case out like that with it in there. So. All right, this one is navy blue and maroon with 1 strap. You can see there, and you got white stitching. This is a 2x5 / 3x4 with a navy blue interior. There you go. See it? All right. I think I got to figure out how to get the light closer to the camera. I changed around the setup in here a little bit so the light is actually sitting about 6 inches away from the camera lens. And therefore, when I put it up there, if I come in too close, it gets dark. You see that? Always playing around trying to figure out the best way for this whole setup to be. All right, this one here is also a 2x5. This one is black and blue with a single strap, as you can see. And 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts. All right, so now I have here black and orange, and this one is 3x6 with a blue interior. There you go. And remember, guys, you can always change the color of your interior. So our interiors are removable. Therefore, it's easy to just reach in and pull it out and put a new interior in. So if you spill something in your interior or something like that, or it gets too dirty at some point, you can just buy a new interior from us and change it. Super easy. This one has purple with purple stitching, purple zipper pulls, black and purple, with a blue 3x6 interior. All right, moving on here. Here I have a black and red, black and red 2x5, 3x4 with red zipper pulls, red stitching, and a red interior. And there you go. Ultra pad interior, by the way. You know, so don't let anybody. You know, there's copycats out there, but they only do the padding up to a certain point, right? So, for example, if you reach in some of the copycat cases, you'll feel padding right in here. You know, where you can get your hand to, but then below that, the padding is gone. So what you want to do is, you know, you can't do this with our competitors' cases, but with ours you can. You could pull the whole interior out, and you can feel the padding all the way down. And then we have double padding here, and we have double padding right here. So it's hold your cues in suspension with padding all the way through the center. And it basically means that from top to bottom your cue is protected, as opposed to some of the knockoffs and the copycats out there that only put padding in the first couple inches where you can get your hand in. You can't take the interior out, so you don't know what's going on below that. And often what is going on below that is missing fabric, very thin liners. You know, they basically have by not copying us correctly, by not, you know, doing what we do, because what we do is labor intensive. It costs more money to build it, frankly. By not doing that, they get the appearance of an interior that looks like it's well padded like ours at the very top of the interior. But what they've actually done is made a more dangerous environment for the Qs because they haven't gone all the way and done it right. So, you know, I mean, it's really baffling to me sometimes why people do that. Because if I were going to be a copycat, then I would make damn sure that I was copying everything that the original had. And then from there, I would be looking to say, well, you know, what can I do that would be better, in my opinion, than the original? But I would want to make sure that all the good attributes of the original were present in my copy. But not these people. They want to make it just appear to be good so that they can make a lot more profit on the product while they are insinuating that they're just as good. So, you know, be careful out there. All right, these two here are cases that we made for the Dynaspheres Cup as part of a sponsorship. These are also black and maroon backpack straps, and then we have a really nice embroidery right here for the Dynaspheres Cup. And this is for our good friend Jake Lawson, who runs the tour there with that's sponsored by Dynaspheres, the balls. So there you go, and that's the name of his tour, or the tournament, the Dynaspheres Cup. All right, coming around here, I've got a 3x6 that is black and green, like an army olive green with green zipper pulls, backpack straps, green stitching, and a blue 3x6 interior. There you go. Okay, next case I have here is, I'm not sure what that actual design is. You know, I would say Aztec or something like that, but I'm sure somebody who knows this stuff will correct me. But that is kind of a denim material in there, and it looks really nice. So you can see there, it looks really cool. And something like this is, we probably, you know, we made up a limited line of cases, and somebody said, hey, can you make me one? And we still had enough material, so we went ahead and did it for them. So this is 2x5, 3x4. All right, the next one I have here is a 2x3, black and green, so black with green stitching, backpack straps, green zipper pulls, and this is more of a brighter green, like a neon green, and a 2x3 interior. There you go. All right, next one here, I've got black and maroon again. This is kind of a more basic rugged one. No, this one has a super long pocket. So this is a dynamite rugged with a taller pocket. Sorry. See how long that pocket is? Two pockets on here, and let's see what color interior we have. We have a, looks like a red interior. There you go. Very cool. All right, now here I have, it looks like a black camo, kind of a really dark camo, nighttime camo maybe. But this is a 4x8. Very cool. With a taller lid and a gray interior. So I'm not sure why the taller lid. Maybe we're supposed to put a ball holder in that or not, so check on that and make sure before it goes out. Okay. Alright, then I have here a black and green, another black and green and black actually, for this one. This is with green, army green zipper pulls. Looks like a green interior and a blue interior. There you go. Did I already show you that one? No, that's another one. Okay, it's two of them, same way. Oh, okay, same order. I think most of these are like a dealer's custom orders, possibly. Because those are a little overzealous on taking them out and throwing away the box. All right, so this is a 4x8, black with blue stitching. And there you go. All right, that's it. That's it for today. So thank you guys very much. We appreciate it. And just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, jbcases.com. We'll be happy to build it for you. You just get us started with the design you want. Go check out our designer. Check out, if you like leather, go check out our leather case gallery. We have a leather case order form on there, so you can kind of put in all your parameters. And yeah, we'll just get it going. And you'll end up with the case that you really want, done the way you want it. And you'll be very confident that your cues are protected. And the case itself is backed with a lifetime warranty. So there you go. All right, you guys take care. Bye-bye.